Hello everyone. I would like to give the information regarding the DeWalt DCK283D2 20V Max XR 2 tools brushless power tools combo kit. Cordless compact uh, drill driver and impact drivers tools are working with the 20V Max XR batteries. It has powerful motors to deliver the maximum runtime. Main features are brushless, lightweight, compact design to fit in the tight space, and 3 mode LED gives the user visibility in the dark spaces. It is also include DCD791 20V Max XR lithium ion compact brushless 1/2 inch drill driver, one DCF887 20V Max XR lithium ion brushless 1/4 inch impact driver, and two DCB203 2 ampere 20V max lithium ion batteries, charger, 2 belt hooks with the screw, contractor bags, and manual. Manual provide all the informations like health and safety, how to use and how to do the maintenance. You can find this at Home Depot, Lowe's, Rona, Amazon, and other places. The cost of this combo is starting from $219 to $420. You could also buy it for a cheaper when it is on sale. The rating of DCK283D2 combo kit is from 4.6 to 4.9, meaning that is a very good product. You can also buy all this individual, but this is the better and cheaper for a combo. Now let us take a look at the drill driver. The part number is DCD719B. It is a 20V max 1/2 inch drill driver, has a compact 6.9 inches front to back and lightweight 3.4 lbs designed to fit into tight areas. This drill is lightweight and compact for working the tight space for a long period of time. Drill driver features has a 3 mode LED with a 20 triggers release delay in the spotlight mode, provide the increased visibility in the dark confined space. It has 15 clutch settings, high speed transmission, and deliver the 2 speed variation allowing you to choose the level of performance that is the need to be a various applications. It is high speed transmission with the 2 speed setting, 0 to 550 to 0 to 2000 rpm, deliver up to the 30% faster application speeds. It has comfort, the grip handle provide the ideal balance and tools control. Metal 1/2 inch reaching choke is for a superior bit gripping strength. As you can see, the comfort grip add the balance, control, and its drill better. Now let us take a look about the impact driver. The part number is DCF887B 20V max XR 1/4 3 speed. Impact driver has a compact 5.3 inch front to back design to fit into tight area and 2.8 lbs weight. This drill has the same platform as the drill, but it has a 3 LED lights for working better in the darker place. The impact drill also has a high speed transmission, deliver the really great force. This has a 3 speed variation instead of 2. It has no load speed, minimum 0 to 1000 rpm, 200 800 rpm, and maximum 3250 rpm. It gives the minimum 240, 1500 and maximum 100 1825 in lbs. After looking at the impact drill, we have a battery and then charger. XR lithium ion battery with the fuel gauge provide the 33% and more capacity over the standard pack. This product has a 3 LED fuel gauge system. So you can find whenever the one LED is on, so the battery is the 0 to 50%. Whenever the 2 LED is on, 50 to 75%, and 3 LEDs is on, is 70 to 100% battery charge. And DeWalt give the two hook including the screw, which one is fit in the tools. You can use in the belt for a comfortable hold the drill and impact driver. You can get the 90-month return policy, 1 year free service warranty, and then 3 years limited warranty. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Have a great day.